Hello, this is Online Q's YouTube channel for online queries. In this video, I will show you how to create your Bloomingdale's online account. First of all, go to bloomingdales.com. Then click My Account link at the top of the page. Click Create an Account button. Now fill up the Bloomingdale sign-up form. Enter your name, email address. Create a strong password. Select your birth date and then click Submit button. Your Bloomingdale's account will be successfully created. You can now add your payment details, shipping address and start shopping. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.